Good afternoon. My name is Giovanni Corredor. This is the presentation of the video of the celebration of St. Patrick's Day. Uh, what is St. Patrick's Day? St. Patrick's Day is a Christian tradition says that Patrick explained the mystery of the Holy Trinity using a three-leaf clover. That is why that day has been established as a custom to carry out clover in celebration of their holiday. It's also common to dress in green and even dye beer with this color in honor of Ireland. Also named the Emerald Isle. When is St. Patrick's Day celebrated? It is celebrated every March and 17 in the commemoration of the dead, the patron of the Irish, and has become a popular and multitudinous party. How long does the celebration of St. Patrick's Day last? Initially had a duration of 3 days, then is done in 2000 was extended to 4 days, and from the 2006 last 5 days. What do you do? What do you do in St. Patrick's Day? In St. Patrick's Day celebration, everything is dyed green. But if there is a clause that goes out the street without something green, it's tradition to give a pinch. In fact, the original color, excuse me, which with which the Order of St. Patrick was identified was the light blue, but changed by the color of the clubs of the Irish independence movement. And even if everything turns greens, including beers, this tradition reached its maximum madness in the city of Chicago, where the waters of the Chicago River are stained green from 1962, yes, using a mixture of biodegradable vegetal dye that does not contaminate. Uh, this is a picture of the celebration in the world. This is in Ireland. This is different monuments in the world. Thanks.